Excuse me, man. If you can eat Korean barbecue beef cheesesteak in 3 bites, you get $30. $10 each bite. You wanna try?
Yes.
Yeah, let's go. What's your name? Nice to meet you, man. Korean barbecue beef cheesesteak. 3 bites. 3 bites. Here? Let's try. Oh my god. Chew, chew, chew. Delicious? Huh? How much out of 10? Rating?
8.
8 out of 10. 8, 9. Wow. Don't rush. You can digest. Let's go, Makoto.
Báilalo, Rocky, suéltalo, Rocky,
Okay, 2 bites.
La dragona, báilalo.
That's crazy. Alright, one more bite. I think you're gonna make it, right? Round 3. Round 3. Fight.
Báilalo, Rocky, suéltalo, Rocky,
Oh, easy. Okay.
Báilalo,
Amazing, Makoto. You are a legend. 3 bites. That's crazy. As promised, $30.